Let's evaluate a function from a graph. So let's think about this first of what does it mean to evaluate a function. So if I have function notation, f of negative 3 equals 4x plus 7. Now, this value here tells me that x is negative 3, right? That is my input. The output is 4x plus 7. If we know that x is negative 3, we can input that into the x. So 4 times negative 3 plus 7, negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5. So we would say f of negative 3 equals negative 5, meaning when I input negative 3 for x, the output is negative 5. And that's the idea of input-output. Okay, so use the graph. So now we're going to change this into using a graph. So we have a linear graph here with points noted, and we have 3 values we're going to find. So first we're going to find f of negative 3. Now remember what this means. This in here says x is negative 3, and we are trying to find the y value, right? What does that equal? What is the output? So if I find x is negative 3, so from my origin, I turned my pen off. From my origin, I'm going to go negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and then find the point that goes to that, which is here, and it's down 2. So y is negative 2. So f of negative 3 equals negative 2. Because this is the x value, this is the y value. All right, now let's look at b. So in letter B, we see f of x equals 2. So we're saying we don't know necessarily what x is, but we know that the output, or y, is 2. So what is x when y is 2? Okay, so again, from the origin, we're going to find y is 2. So up 2, what's the x value associated with that? Well, it's over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is 5. So if we want a y value of 2, then we would say our f of 5 equals 2. All right, and then the last one. F of 1, f of 1, that's just it. Okay, so in this case, again, x is 1. So x is 1, here it is. That means f of 1 equals 0, because the y value when x is 1 is 0. So just remember, the value inside the parentheses is x, and the output is y. Let's do another. Use the graph to find f of 2. Okay, so this means our x value is 2. So from my origin, 1, 2, this is the point in question, and the y value is 0. So f of 2 equals 0. All right, in the next one, we are given f of x. Okay, so f of x is what we're trying to find here, and the y value is 3. So from my origin, 1, 2, 3. Well, you'll notice I have 2 points here that are both 3. So I need both of them. So x could be 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, x could be positive 4. So for this case, because we have a quadratic, right, our graph here is a parabola, that means that our x value could have 2 different values, 4 or negative 4.